Have you ever wondered how your computer knows exactly where to go when you type a website address like example.com into your browser? It seems like magic, but there's a powerful system working behind the scenes to translate those friendly names into specific numerical internet addresses. Sometimes, though, your computer has a little secret helper that can step in even before that global system gets a chance. And to answer directly, yes, the host's file absolutely overrides domain name system, or DNS, resolution. When your computer looks up a domain name, it first checks a local file on your machine called the host's file. If it finds an entry there, that entry takes precedence over any information a DNS server might provide. This hierarchical preference is by design. Imagine it as your computer having a personal address book before it asks a public directory. The operating system checks this local host's file first for any static mappings between domain names and Internet Protocol addresses. Only if the domain name is not found in the host's file will your system then proceed to query the DNS servers configured on your network. This gives local administrators, or even individual users, a direct and immediate way to control how specific domain names are resolved on their particular device, bypassing the often slower and globally distributed DNS lookups. It is a fundamental part of how name resolution works at a low level, prioritizing local instructions. So, what does this mean for you? You can actually use the host's file to your advantage. For instance, you could redirect a domain name to a different Internet Protocol address than its official one. This is super helpful for web developers who want to test changes to a website on a development server before they push those changes live. You can also use it to block access to certain websites by mapping their domain names to the loopback address, which is 127.0.0.1. This effectively tells your computer to look for the website on itself, which will almost certainly fail, thus blocking access. The host's file is a simple text document, typically found in a system directory, and can be edited with administrative privileges. It is fascinating to note that the host's file mechanism actually predates the modern, distributed domain name system by many years. It was one of the original ways computers on early networks resolved names. Its enduring presence underscores its foundational role in network operations. While DNS handles the vast majority of global name resolution, the host's file provides a critical, localized override capability. Understanding its priority means you can precisely control network traffic for testing, security, or development directly from your machine. Ultimately, comprehending the host's file's preeminence over DNS is a key insight into network diagnostics and configuration. It is not just a relic of the past, but a powerful tool that offers granular control over how your specific computer connects to the digital world. By knowing this fundamental order of operations, you gain a clearer picture of how your system prioritizes and resolves every single internet address you interact with, empowering you with greater local network management.
If you love understanding how the web works, like, subscribe, and stay connected with us.